Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that hits close to home for many of us: the cost of living in Bengaluru, India's tech hub. You might be surprised to learn that an intern, Anshika Agarwal, has shared her monthly budget, revealing the challenges of surviving in this expensive city. Now, what makes this story intriguing is not just the numbers but the insights it provides into the city's lifestyle. Anshika's budget breakdown shows that accommodation takes the biggest chunk, with 12,500 rupees going towards a paying guest facility. This is a common reality for many young professionals and students in Bengaluru, where rent prices are sky high. But here's the twist: it's not just rent that's breaking the bank. Anshika highlights that food and transportation costs can be managed with some smart choices. She suggests that while rent and travel might be expensive, food is relatively affordable if you know where to look. This is a refreshing perspective, as many assume that all aspects of city life in Bengaluru are costly. Personally, I find it interesting that she managed to keep her food expenses at 6,000 rupees by avoiding PG food and opting for home-cooked meals or reasonably priced eateries. This is a testament to the power of budgeting and making conscious choices. It's all about priorities, right? You can choose to spend less on food and more on experiences, or vice versa. The social media reactions are equally eye-opening. One commenter praised Anshika's discipline, noting that many interns struggle to manage their finances in Bengaluru. The city's vibrant lifestyle, with its cafes, breweries, and weekend getaways, can easily lure you into overspending. What many people don't realize is that these small expenses add up quickly. A coffee here, a brunch there, and suddenly your budget is blown. This raises a deeper question: is the cost of living in Bengaluru a matter of perception or reality? From my perspective, it's a bit of both. The city's rapid growth has indeed driven up prices, but it's also about the choices we make. You can live frugally or indulge in the city's offerings. It's a delicate balance between enjoying the city's perks and staying financially afloat. In conclusion, Anshika's budget breakdown offers a valuable lesson in financial management and the realities of urban living. It's a reminder that with a bit of planning and discipline, you can make the most of your money, even in a city as expensive as Bengaluru. So, the next time you're tempted by a trendy cafe or a weekend getaway, remember Anshika's story and ask yourself, is this a necessity or a lifestyle choice? Because, in the end, it's all about finding that sweet spot between enjoying life and keeping your finances in check.